Has it ever happened to you that you took a trade here and the market was moving nicely in your favor, everything intact, but you were expecting it to come down here, only for market to come, give 4R, and then reverse and take you out at a loss, or even maybe break even? Or worse still, when it came, you thought it was coming to use the same order block to continue its movement, but it took you out. If it has happened to you, then you need to watch this video to the end. And if you have seen this on YouTube or on Facebook, you need to go straight to my YouTube to watch the video to the end to see how I was able to get out of this trade with a 4R, and then how I was able to avoid this trade altogether. I had plans of taking this trade here again, but I avoided taking it because I couldn't find the things I needed to find, and it ended up going to the other side. So watch this video to the end. If you're on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and share. Ask questions. I'm going to make videos concerning or in addressing your questions and teaching it in depth. All right, enjoy the video. So hello people. So this is the AUD card trade. In my previous video earlier today, I dropped what I wanted to see for me to take this AUD card trade re-entry. Go down below and watch the video. Now this is the update of it. I did not take it because what I wanted to see was not there. Now I'm going to explain to you what I wanted to see. I took this trade yesterday from here and I exited here, and I explained to us in the previous video why I exited the trade. Are you seeing it now? I explained why I exited this trade in particular. Okay, so I got out of the trade with a 4R profit yesterday, and then I wanted to wait for another setup to form. So watch my previous video and you will find why I exited the trade. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Well, let me just this is why I left the trade. When price got here, I saw that there was a clean order block looking here, around here, and I know that price does not move in a straight direction like this, considering the fact that there was no news. This is just normal days price action. Price will not just move down to my target. It doesn't happen like that. So when price got to around here, when I saw this impulsive move, I started suspecting that price will get around here and definitely give a reaction. Are you seeing it now? And there's no structure. Price just came down. There was no build up of structure around here. Are you seeing that? There was no build up of structure around here that will say, okay, price is not going back there. For example, look at what I mean. Had it been when price was coming down, it did this, came back and even tapped into this other block immediately. Are you seeing it now? And then came back. Are you seeing it now? Build structure like this. Came, tapped liquidity, and then came here. Then I will be sure that price will continue down. Are you seeing it now? Because liquidity is what moves the market. And that's why all you need to understand, just like I said in my other videos, is just understand market structure and liquidity. Liquidity is what moves the market. As soon as liquidity gets finished, as soon as money finishes, that is liquidity. Liquidity is the fuel. Market will start retracing. It will give room. It will give way for stronger hands. That means there are stronger hands here. and they've successfully pushed the market to above this place. Are you seeing it now? So later I saw the market was just coming down. There's no way the money will not get finished. So I got out preparing that okay, market will come back around here and refuel. Since there's no any high in between here, engineered liquidity in here for market to come and sweep and drop. I need a market to come around here. At least let's say this other block to come and what? Refuel. Are you seeing it now? See, price will always tell you what it wants to do if you pay attention. Now, this morning, I opened my chart. So I closed the trade with 4 hours yesterday. I now opened my chart this morning. What was I expecting to see? I was expecting that, okay, if market is going to use this other block to reverse, if market at all, market wants to use this other block to reverse, this is how it will behave. Market will do this. It will give you gentle it will give you retracements, and then when it gets close to it, it will deceive some people and do as if it wants to turn. Fake market structure shift, that is inducement, and then come to tap it because it wants to generate liquidity that it will use and couple with the other block to be able to drop down. Are you seeing it now? So this can happen on 1 hour time frame, but I check for it on 1 hour time frame or on 15 minutes time frame. I now went to the 15 minutes time frame to check, and lo and behold, market retraced and got to that other block without giving inducements. Look at the retracement. It got to the other block. I was expecting it to give inducement here. Nah, it did not. On 15 minutes time frame, it got to the other block without giving inducement. And I say, okay, so no inducement. Well, I have another way I trade. If market does not give me inducement, then I wait for confirmation entry, right? Now you have gotten to the other block. I want you to totally shift market structure to the downside. Are you seeing it now? You have to be patient. But you know, your patience, you will not be able to be patient as much as you can or as well as you can when you don't know what you are looking for. And that is my essence, the essence of me creating this video. You know exactly what you are looking for. Okay, so when market got there, I said, oh, since there's no inducement, let me use the other way. If market has gotten there, what do I want to see? If there was no inducement, I want market to get to the other block, do this, and then properly shift market structure with a fair value gap. Are you seeing it now? Give me internal liquidity. Go as if it's give me internal liquidity. Go as if it's coming back. Then come back to now tap into whatever gave this good push, clean push. So that was what I was waiting for. So I wanted to see market do all this. My brother, my sister, market did not do it. So I couldn't take the trade. I left it. And that's where and that is where we are now. It would have been a missed trade. Can you see how to avert some stupid losses? Are you seeing it now? Now let me show you another trade that I have set a limit order for, because what I've seen everything complete. AED New Zealand. AED New Zealand dollar. My usual go-to pairs are usually GBP USD, Euro USD, and what do they call it? And AED USD. But I'm not seeing any setup in them, so I just had to avoid them. This is probably a missed entry, but there's no problem. I didn't see the trade on time. I don't jump into trades. I saw the trade. I saw this trade around when price was around here. I wouldn't take it. Normally I would want to catch it at that spot. Anything here is jumping, is chasing the market, it can reverse on me, and I don't want that. So let me show you why I decided to look at this trade. Look at it. 1 hour time frame. What do I want to see? As usual. Are you seeing it now? Just as usual. Immediately I opened the chart, my eyes went straight to this place. So I see a sweep of high. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it now? And so price swept an old high. I marked it. I seen it now. Came down. Could not break structure here. Went up. Then this is where it could break structure. It broke. In fact, this is the actual break of structure, but it came further to break this one, break structure to the downside. So market is bearish. And what led to that break of structure? It is this other block here. So we have seen three things: external liquidity sweep. Sometimes I call it breaker block because this would have maybe sat as another block for some people. Market came to it, did as if it respected it. No, it did not, and then broke it. Are you seeing it now? So I want to see a breaker block sweep of an old high, this high, then market turns around and break structure. Are you seeing it? It broke structure. It did this, broke here and broke here. We are seeing it now. So immediately I saw that, I say, oh, beautiful, nice setup. And I now came the other block looking very good. I came and marked that one. So as I marked the other block, market had already. I'm going to color it differently. I don't want to remove all. Okay, do I remove? Okay, let me remove it so that you all follow me well. I'm going to draw them again. I'm going to draw them again. I'm going to draw them again. It may take our time, but let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. So I came and marked this, although I'm late to the party, but you can still learn from it. I don't know why I didn't check this. I was focused on that AED card, but it didn't play out well. I didn't get a trade there. I didn't get to trade it, but I can still get this because I believe that when New York session opens now, they will come for this high, and I'm going to tell you why I still believe in that setup. Now, so I marked that 1 hour order block. So I've seen three things: external liquidity sweep, break of structure, and then an order block. So I marked the order block. Now, looking at the order block, there's inducement already for me. Look at it. So look at it here. So this other block move. Why price started moving towards the other block? You can see once price has broken structure towards moving towards the other block, because okay, it's retracing. Are you seeing it now? So why price was moving towards this other block, it now turned around and gave a fake market structure shift before getting to the other block. Are you seeing it now? I can see that it's within half of this distance from here to here. So this qualifies as a very sweet inducement. Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame already, price has given us an inducement. This is it. So this is the inducement on 1 hour time frame. Let me mark that. So this is inducement. Please like, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. I believe you are enjoying what you are seeing. I don't know when you'll be watching this, okay, but I'm talking to you. Today is 4th of August, and I've been doing this consistently. Okay, subscribe, watch all these videos. You will learn a lot of gems on them. Okay, let's put it to be at the top. Okay, so that's the inducement, and then the inducement broke structure. Very important. So you want to see your inducement and an inducement break of structure, and an inducement break of structure. So 1 hour time frame has given us something. So if I had seen this trade on time, I wouldn't even think twice. I would just come to this other block. I would have caught this trade here straight up. I would have caught this trade straight up, 1:4. I would have been in profit already, but I didn't see it. I honestly did not see it. I seen it, I did not see it. So you can see how simply it plays. If it is harder than this, leave it. Look for another pair. I used to trade just 3 pairs every time, and then so I find that I used to fall straight. So now that I've gotten, I have my what do they call it? Refine my edge and everything. I'll go and look for it on another pair. If it's not there, if it's looking like something you don't recognize, leave it. Go and search for another one. Are you seeing it now? So this would have been my trade. Well, it is what it is. So you can see how clean it is, 1 hour time frame. So after doing this, I now went to, since I didn't see anything, since I saw that I had already missed, I now went to 15 minutes time frame to see whether maybe I will find that the other block was not fully mitigated here. Are you seeing it now? And when I now came, I now saw market structure shift here. What is this? What am I picked the wrong tool, sorry. On the 15 minutes time frame, while price was close to it, you can see it. Markets came, swept liquidity, broke structure. Are you seeing it now? But I don't like it. Is the break of structure here is not that clean for me. Are you seeing it now? It mitigated the other block. Maybe it has not served yet. Who knows? I'll still leave my pending order. Are you seeing it now? It broke structure. It's not that clean for me, and there's internal liquidity. So almost everything is there, but it doesn't look very clean in my eyes. Are you seeing it now? So I now went to 30 minutes time frame. So I wanted to see the other block here neatly. Here it's not so neat for me. I wanted to see it appear neat, a kind of. So what did I do? I went to 30 minutes time frame, and then it now appears better. Now look at what inside that 1 hour order block that I marked. Look at this particular red candle. It looks better for me as an order block because it is above this green candle, and then this one is below it, so it looks cool for me. So let me refine to 30 minutes time frame. So I now refined it to 30 minutes time frame. So I'm marking that red candle. Price may not come back to it, but let's see what price does. So you can see that 30 minutes there is refined there. So I am still thinking that price will come back to it. I'm still hoping that it comes back to it, but the way this thing is moving, let's just see. Okay, let's just see. So after doing that, I now saw that I could still regard these guys here as inducements. Are you seeing it now? And one of the strong reasons why I'm still keeping that order is that we are yet to enter New York session, and if the big boys of the New York stock exchange, the big guys, the institutions and other things, once they open in the US, you won't expect them to come and be selling. You won't expect them. Picked the wrong tool. I wanted to edit that other tool. Excuse me. So you won't expect them to. I'm coming in just a minute. Inducements. Let me take it up. Top. When the guys of New York Stock Exchange want to come, you won't expect them to come and continue the sale here. The big boys don't do that. Are you seeing it now? They have the money. They will come and push price above all these highs where retail traders are selling. They will come, sweep liquidity, their internal structure. They will get internal, what do they call it? They will make use of this internal liquidity, pair it with the pending orders of that other block, and bring it down, which is something that may likely happen. Are you seeing it now? So that is how to also pair timing. That's how to regard timing. Are you seeing it now? Timing your trades. That's another way of looking at time to know, okay, when do I exit it? One of the reasons why I exited that yesterday's trade, I saw that it got to a time that there won't be much liquidity. And if the big players want to come and if they want to continue that sale, they will look for a more favorable price. That will mean price retracing. I didn't want to take part in that. And I'd already gotten 4 hours, so I closed. Are you seeing it now? So I'm expecting that when New York session opens, market should come, sweep liquidity here, tap here, and then drop. Okay, so this is my inducement, and then this is my inducement break of structure here inside here. Are you seeing it now? So let me mark that this 30 minutes time frame. So my entry now is in 30 minutes time frame because it's cooler, but I usually don't like going below 15 minutes time frame. It's usually clean on 15 minutes time frame, but if it's not clean there, I'll go for 30 minutes time frame. You can see it was also clean on 1 hour time frame that we missed. Okay, it was clean there, but we missed it unfortunately. So bottom, are you seeing it now? So that's what we have. So I put my entry here. Now my stop will be placed safely, because market can decide to come and say, I don't like all this internal liquidity, because these ones are still internal liquidity. Though it's swept, market is not likely supposed to be protected. Are you seeing it now? But I'll just come and put my stop above this guy, so that if market at all comes here, I know that my stop is invalidated. That's why I usually don't get, usually rarely happens that market to come and take me out, except it is spread. The market is not gonna come and sweep me out and then go my direction. Usually when market gets to my stop loss, that means it's reversing. That setup is invalidated. Are you seeing it now? So you don't have to be using tight stop loss. That's greed. They are using tight stop loss. Why not work with your budget? Open the stop loss, let it be in a safe place, then reduce your lot size. Are you seeing it now? Instead of wanting to use, you are using very tight stop loss and then you're increasing your lot, you don't be taking useless losses. Okay. So let us stop, be in a safe position, then you reduce your lot size, budget, cut your quote according to your size. Okay, so I can target this. I prefer internal liquidity 1:3, but I will just target this, because if price follows that, it's going to come here, just below before it, and then 1:4. Go with that. I listen now. So this is my outlook for AED New Zealand dollar. Okay, this is my outlook for AED New Zealand dollar. So please do well to like and subscribe. Are you seeing it now? Subscribe, share it to those that you love and you want them to 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 get some improvements, okay, in their trading. So have a lovely trading week. So I'm going to update us on how it goes. Okay, in fact, look at it. This is also internal liquidity 1 hour time frame. So this is internal liquidity. So at all, price should get to this spot. Okay, should get to that spot. All right, thank you.